Hey guys, welcome back to Tech. In today's video, I'll be introducing you the last part of Chrome tips and tricks. So let's get started. The first one is an autofilling feature. As you all know, autofilling features are used for automatically filling forms, site information websites, or even filling Gmail information that are valid. To do this, you have to go to settings and type in the search settings or go here, autofill. And then click on addresses and more, click on add. You can add your name, organization, address, phone number and email. This is a quite useful hack for people who wants to make it fast for filling the forms. So guys, the next one is an extension provided by Google. It's a dictionary. Double clicking words or marking words can officially give you the meaning and much information about the text which you have underlined. So let's get started. Firstly, download the extension. Once that is done, once it is added to the extensions and pinned to Chrome, test it if it is working. As you can see, double clicking on the word also gives the meaning and more information about it. You can easily access Google really fast without searching the word. Also, underlined words don't work, but the not underlined words work. By double clicking only, this works. So the last trick, guys, is enabling and disabling guest browsing. This setting is actually provided by Google Chrome, but now it isn't. So in order to do this, you have to copy some codes and put it in the command prompt. So right click on the Windows icon and then click on Windows PowerShell Admin. Click on yes, and once you're granted permission, copy out the text that I'll be giving in the link in the description below. The first one, reg add, paste it and click on enter. Once that operation is completed, paste the second one as well. Copy and paste it and then click on enter. Once both the operations are completed successfully, restart your browser. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, as you can see, guest mode is gone. Now to add it again, you have to simply do this. Copy the third and fourth lines that I have sent and do it separately. Let's copy the last one, paste it, and it's done. For some reason, if people want to enable it again, you can do this code and restart your browser again. So as you can see, guest mode is enabled again. This was it, guys. This is the last part of Chrome special tips and tricks. See you later. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want more videos, make sure you like and comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to be notified.